How to turn on Find My Phone on iPhone. So, if you want to make your iPhone discoverable when you misplaced it, or you want to track your iPhone using Find My on your iPhone or iCloud.com/find, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily turn on or enable Find My Phone on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you open the settings app, locate your Apple account and then click on it. Under your Apple account, you want to scroll down and locate Find My, then click on that. Here, if Find My Phone is turned off on your iPhone, then you should see Find My iPhone off. Now to turn on Find My iPhone, go ahead and click on Find My iPhone. Here, with Find My iPhone turned on, you can locate, lock or erase your iPhone and other supported accessories. So, to turn on Find My iPhone, just turn this on and the support that says Find My iPhone enabled. Find My iPhone allows you to locate, log or erase your iPhone if it is lost or stolen. It will also be enabled on any paired Apple Watch or supported accessories that you use your Apple account with. Then go ahead and click on OK. And you can then go ahead and turn on Send Last Location so that Apple will automatically send last location of your iPhone to Apple when the battery is critically low. So that is all you need to do to turn on Find My Phone on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.